pizza does your friend want? Margarita. Necessary items into the basket. Tomatoes. Right. Basil. You're doing great. Halfway through. Olive oil. Right. Cheese. You're doing great. Well done. You've collected. We need to grate this. Let's cut it good. Tear off all the leaves. Great! The ingredients are ready. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for toppings. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. Pedal. Watch out! A log ahead! Watch out! Squirrels ahead! Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Watch out! Hares ahead! Hurrah! We've arrived! Feed our friends! Cut the pizza in slices! Now, give everyone a slice! Well done! Everyone's full and happy. Tap the present to open it. Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.